Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. We're showing you today, this is an 8-quart Lucite twin shell blender with intensifier bar. Has these nice guarded toggle switches there. You can see the bar inside is, if you're familiar with them, the liquid solids design, but this is a solid shaft unit, so they're using this bar as the intensifier. Has its own independent drive. The unit is 8-quart capacity with 140 pound per cubic foot density rating from PK. You'll see their familiar tag there. We have lots of blending equipment in our stock, as well as processing and packaging. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.